Names of animals. Part 1. Cat, cat. Dog, dog. Chicken, chicken. Duck, duck. Sheep, sheep. Cow, cow. Pig, pig. Horse, horse. Zebra, zebra. Giraffe, giraffe. Monkey, monkey. Lion, lion. Tiger, tiger. Elephant, elephant. Panda, panda. Koala, koala. Kangaroo, kangaroo. Squirrel, squirrel. Snake, snake. Butterfly, butterfly.